Reggae music is a powerful force pulsing with energy and spirit. Its unmistakable rhythm, marked by the offbeat guitar strum and deep rolling bass, instantly transports listeners to a place of warmth and unity. The sound is both joyful and defiant, inviting people from all walks of life to move, dance, and reflect. Born in the vibrant streets of Kingston, Jamaica, reggae emerged as a voice for the people, echoing their struggles, hopes, and dreams. Over the decades, its message has crossed oceans and borders, resonating with audiences on every continent. Today, reggae is celebrated not just as a genre, but as a global movement that unites people through its universal themes. More than just music, reggae carries a message of peace, love, and social justice. Its lyrics often speak out against oppression and inequality, calling for unity and understanding among all people. At festivals and concerts, fans gather not only to enjoy the music, but to share in a collective spirit of hope and resistance. From its roots in the Caribbean to its global reach, reggae continues to inspire and uplift. Whether played on sun-soaked beaches or in bustling city squares, its infectious rhythms bring people together, breaking down barriers of language and culture. The genre's influence can be seen in the way it brings diverse communities together, fostering a sense of belonging and joy. Reggae's influence can be felt in various music genres, fashion, and even political movements. Its distinctive style has inspired countless artists, from hip-hop to pop, and its colors and symbols are worn proudly by fans around the world. Reggae has also played a role in activism, providing a soundtrack for movements seeking justice and equality. Its infectious rhythms and thought-provoking lyrics have captivated generations. From grandparents to young children, reggae's appeal spans ages and backgrounds, creating memories and traditions that are passed down through families and communities. The music's power to connect people is truly timeless. This essay explores the fascinating journey of reggae, from its humble beginnings in Jamaica to its status as a global phenomenon. We'll discover how reggae's heartbeat continues to echo around the world, inspiring new generations and reminding us all of the enduring power of music to bring about change. Reggae's story begins with ska, a vibrant and energetic music genre that emerged in Jamaica in the late 1950s. Ska pulsed with a fast tempo and a distinct offbeat rhythm. It quickly gained popularity across the island. As the 1960s progressed, ska began to evolve. The tempo slowed down and the bass lines became more prominent. This shift marked the birth of rocksteady, a precursor to reggae. Rocksteady emphasized soulful vocals and intricate harmonies. This new sound laid the groundwork for reggae's distinctive character. By the late 1960s, reggae emerged as a fully fledged genre, captivating listeners with its infectious rhythms and unique blend of musical influences. Born from the vibrant streets of Kingston, Jamaica, reggae drew inspiration from earlier styles like ska and rocksteady, but quickly developed its own identity. The music's signature offbeat guitar strums, deep bass lines, and syncopated drum patterns created a sound that was both hypnotic and uplifting, inviting people from all walks of life to move and dance together. Reggae was more than just music. It was a cultural movement, a voice for the people, and a symbol of hope and resilience. At the forefront of this movement were legendary artists whose names would become synonymous with reggae's global rise. The Wailers, led by the iconic Bob Marley, and Toots and the Maytals, brought powerful messages of unity, love, and social justice to the world stage. Their music resonated deeply with audiences, addressing issues of oppression, freedom, and the struggles of everyday life in Jamaica and beyond. The Wailers, with their soulful vocals, conscious lyrics, and captivating stage presence, became global ambassadors for reggae music. Bob Marley's charismatic leadership and poetic songwriting helped transform reggae into a universal language, breaking down barriers and connecting people across continents. Their songs, such as No Woman No Cry and Get Up Stand Up, became anthems for change and solidarity, echoing far beyond Jamaica's shores. Toots and the Maytals, known for their energetic performances and soulful harmonies, played a crucial role in popularizing reggae internationally. Their groundbreaking hit, Do the Reggae, even gave the genre its name, and their dynamic stage shows electrified audiences everywhere. Toots Hibbert's powerful voice and the band's infectious rhythms helped reggae cross cultural boundaries, making it a beloved sound around the globe. These pioneers helped to define the sound and spirit of reggae, inspiring countless artists and captivating audiences worldwide. Their legacy lives on in the music of new generations as reggae continues to evolve and spread its message of peace, love, and unity to every corner of the earth. Reggae's journey didn't stop there. What began as a local sound echoing through the streets and hills of Jamaica soon became a global phenomenon, captivating listeners far beyond the island's borders. The infectious rhythms, heartfelt lyrics, and unmistakable groove of reggae music resonated with people from all walks of life, drawing curious travelers and passionate fans to Jamaica in search of the source of this powerful sound. As reggae's reputation grew, it became a symbol of hope, resistance, and unity, inspiring countless individuals to explore its roots and meaning. As its popularity grew, reggae spread beyond Jamaica's shores, evolving into various subgenres and influencing musicians worldwide. In cities across Europe, Asia, Africa, and the Americas, reggae found new homes and new audiences. International artists embraced the genre, blending it with their own musical traditions and creating unique fusions that reflected their cultures. Reggae concerts began to fill stadiums and clubs in places as far-flung as London, Tokyo, Berlin, and Cape Town, uniting people through the universal language of music. The genre's message of love, justice, and resilience struck a chord with listeners everywhere, making reggae a truly global movement. In the 1970s, roots reggae emerged, characterized by its spiritual themes and emphasis on social justice. This subgenre became the voice of a generation seeking change, with artists using their music to address issues like inequality, oppression, and the quest for freedom. The influence of Rastafarian culture became more pronounced, with its messages of peace, unity, and a deep connection to Africa. Roots reggae artists crafted songs that were both deeply personal and universally relevant, giving a voice to the voiceless and shining a light on the struggles faced by many around the world. Dub, with its experimental sound manipulation techniques, pushed the boundaries of reggae even further. Producers and engineers began to deconstruct tracks, stripping away vocals, adding echo and reverb, and transforming familiar songs into entirely new sonic experiences. This innovative approach not only revolutionized reggae, but also laid the groundwork for future genres like electronic dance music and hip-hop. Dub's emphasis on rhythm, bass, and atmosphere created a hypnotic soundscape that continues to inspire musicians and producers to this day. Today, reggae continues to evolve with a new generation of artists such as Chronix, Protoje, and Coffee. These talented musicians are redefining the genre, blending traditional reggae elements with contemporary influences from hip-hop, R&B, and pop. Their energetic performances and fresh perspectives have brought reggae to a new audience, ensuring its relevance in the modern music landscape. By honoring the genre's roots while pushing creative boundaries, they are keeping reggae vibrant and alive for future generations. These artists carry the torch of conscious lyrics while incorporating modern sounds and production techniques. In studios around the world, young musicians experiment with digital tools, crafting beats and melodies that pay homage to reggae's past, while embracing the possibilities of the future. Their songs tackle contemporary issues, from social justice and identity, to love and resilience, proving that reggae's message remains as powerful and relevant as ever. Reggae's global impact is undeniable, from its influence on other music genres like hip-hop and rock, to its role in promoting peace, social justice, and cultural awareness. The genre's signature rhythms and conscious lyrics have inspired countless artists across the musical spectrum, leading to collaborations and crossovers that continue to shape the sound of popular music. Reggae festivals now attract fans from every corner of the globe, creating spaces where people of all backgrounds can come together to celebrate unity, diversity, and the enduring power of music. The journey of reggae is a testament to the power of music to transcend borders and connect people through shared rhythms and messages of unity. From its humble beginnings in Jamaica to its status as a worldwide cultural force, reggae continues to inspire, uplift, and bring people together. Its story is still being written as new generations discover its magic and add their voices to the ever-growing chorus of reggae's global family.